dear Father Provincial, friends, and dear Father Augustine Sambilan Babu Pamuri, on behalf of Sindomas Southern community, we wish you a very, very graceful, happy feast. On this occasion of joyous celebration of Feast of Saint Augustine, we come together to celebrate not only the profound legacy of one of the great theologians and saints, but also to honor both of you, Father Babu and Father Augustine, who share the name and the spirit of this illustrious patron. Saint Augustine, a beacon of wisdom and tireless seeker of truth, reminds us of the power of divine grace and the journey of transformation that each of us is called to undertake. His life was a testament to the relentless pursuit of God, a journey from merely distractions to the profound embrace of God's love and truth. As we reflect upon his contributions to the church, his writings, his teachings, and his deep understanding of God's mercy, we see in him a model how we too can strive to live a life devoted to God's service. On this day, especially we rejoice in your lives of Father Augustine, Sambigal and Babu Pamuri, as you carry forward the spirit of Saint Augustine in your own unique ways. You have each been a guiding light to the many of the people embodying wisdom, dedication, and pastoral care of Saint Augustine exemplified your commitment to the mission of the church, your tireless efforts in ministry, and your compassionate hearts have touched the lives of countless people. Father Augustine Sambigal, your deep pastoral activity reflects the spirit of your patron, leading others closer to God's you through your wisdom and guidance. Like St. Augustine, you help others navigate the complexities of faith with clarity and love. For the Babu Pamuri, your steadfast dedication to your vocation and your unwavering commitment to the community mirror the strength and the resilience of Saint Augustine. Through your work, you have been a source of comfort, inspiration, and faith to those you serve. As you celebrate your patron's feast day, may Saint Augustine's spirit continue to inspire and strengthen you in your ministries. May this teaching guide your path, and may his intercession bring you closer to the path of God. We, your community, are deeply grateful to your presence among us and for the many ways you enrich our spiritual lives. On this special day, we pray that God continue to shower the blessings upon you, granting you the grace, wisdom, and strength to carry out your commitment. Once again, on behalf of members of the community and on my own behalf, I wish you a very, very graceful, happy feast. Let us begin our Holy Eucharist.
को हमारी अम्बे चढ़ा അത്യുന്നതങ്ങളിൽ അത്യാദരങ്ങളിൽ അരുളും അഗസ്തീനോസേ, അവിടുത്തെ മാധ്യസ്ഥം യാചിച്ചു നിൽക്കുന്നു, അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണമേ, ഞങ്ങളെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണമേ. അത്യുന്നതങ്ങളിൽ അത്യാദരങ്ങളിൽ അരുളും അഗസ്തീനോസേ, അവിടുത്തെ മാധ്യസ്ഥം യാചിച്ചു നിൽക്കുന്നു, അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണമേ,